Hi guys, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, leave a like, and let's go. Yeah, so first of all, I want to check. Uh, yeah, usually I will not check. Okay, so first of all, we will go to. Um, 1 second, I will prepare something. Um, yeah, I think we're ready. So yeah, let's go to definite um, list of C books. Yeah, and this one. So here is the list of the books, and I just want to say that we'll choose one of them. So this one is already done by us, so let's continue with this. Okay, it's giving us Amazon, so let's copy it. Um, yeah, let's just search PDF. Okay, we get something. Wow. Wow, super. Wow, look here at the left. There are a lot of them. Okay, I will download so we can keep track of stuff. And I will open it. Okay, let's um, downloads, and we'll go through it. Okay, let's go. So, advanced theme. What is it about? Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, so this book is called Advanced C, and let's see how much it is, how really is it advanced. Oh, by the way, did I say hi? No, yeah, I think yeah. Um, okay, so let's go through it. We will not read the stuff about the author and overview rules. Well, I see C++. Okay, I don't understand. Why do we have zero C++? It's appendix, maybe. Okay, no problem. Okay, pretty solid. It has like 700 pages, which is quite big book, so except we'll go through everything. Um, yeah, so as always we'll skip like some words and just search for some codes. I don't like the font. It's very bad. Yeah, oh my guys, it's really bad. Okay, we have some variables here, some constants. No guys, sorry, I will not continue this book. This is not very good for my eyes. Okay, let's just delete it and use other one. Where's my browser? Sorry guys, but if you want to read it, if you want to read it, you can, but I don't know. Definitive list of C books. Okay, -1 book. So let's go further. Expert C programming, deep secrets. Okay, sounds C secretly, right? Expert C program, deep C secrets. So let's find out what are the secrets of C. Okay, so I hope here is font is good, so I'll just download it, save it, and just open it. Open downloads. Yeah, I don't remember. Downloads. Open downloads. Expert. Oh, it's for me because I'm an expert. Um, yeah, nice fish. Okay, introduction. Wow, cool animation here. Okay, so wait, is it starting like straight as the code? What does it say? Mistake. Okay. Programming challenge sample box convention. Okay. Box. Okay. programming challenge. Okay, so here is some solutions. Okay, biggest. Okay, I like that because f is like biggest. And okay, c time biggest. Okay, I don't know what is c time, but I think it's like time and actually we can just look it up, right? And c time. So it's like something with prime time transformations. So I think so. Yeah. Okay. Let's give us. Okay. Nice. Wait. What is 18? It's 2-0. Okay. So we have a time, guys. We have some more time. Okay. That's great. Okay. This is the same, but as using ASCII. Okay. Let's go. History. Okay. If you want. I like this book. I like this style. I will definitely need to read it sometime. That's really fun, right? Mm, yeah, come on, guys. It's fun, but we are not here for fun, right? Okay, so what do we do? Okay, compares. So it compares to strings. Okay. Um, I don't think this will work. Okay, probably it will work, but it's strange. But yeah, it will work. Um, okay, epsilon valve. What is valve? Yeah, I mean it's quite cool. I mean it's like some book for kids, right? It's very cool. And I like this dog. This dog is amazing. Portable code. Okay. Yeah, it kind of explains us like some theory, right? So maybe it will not be so interesting. I mean, maybe here will not be like a lot of code. Okay. So now we just see some simple stuff, to be honest. Okay. Okay, so we have some command called open, okay, and um, I understand what it does, but opens a file. Opens a file, so it opens a file, okay, and then, but why do we open a file? Okay, okay, I really don't understand this code. Execute a file. So why do we do this? We open and close. We close. Okay, so here are just some games. By the way, I don't think I have them, but let's. Yeah, maybe I have them. Games. Yeah, I have them. Oh my god. But here's like Ubuntu. Okay. Wow, this Emacs. Okay. Yeah, Emacs have a game Hanoi. Oh my god. Okay, so this is like a joke book, right? Fun book. Is it really expert C programming? Okay, and we are like 30 pages, which is pretty big. Okay, switch. Don't use switch. Swap. Okay, so uh, mm, okay, okay, okay. So what what is going on here? Um, so you guys, it's like I don't know what to talk about here. Okay, we saw extern. Okay, nice. Um, okay, so here we're explaining. So, I mean, it's not like really expert. It's basic maybe. but not expert. The early bug gets the internet worm. Okay, it's like really historical book, right? Um, gets yeah, yeah. I mean, it was like maybe somebody hacked. I don't know. With Finger service. Yeah, Finger is the daemon. Yeah, I heard about Finger. Okay, so we're talking about connection here, right? But what is the point? Um, read mail, send mail. Okay. Mail. Okay, so here is the example how you use mail. Um, some bash even. Okay. Mm, yeah, I mean those cool jokes with pluses. Okay, I don't like the. I don't know what I don't like. Maybe the color, maybe the font also. Okay, let's just try to understand. Okay, so it's like while hash. Okay, so it's like binary and plus and saves it to yeah, of course, overflow. Mm, and sign long. Okay, and this one is interesting. What does it mean? 0f to 28. So it's like a big number, right? Um. Okay, to be honest, I don't understand this code. Okay, sorry guys. Um. And digression. Okay, why do we talk about C++? I mean, it's a C book, no? So C++ is definitely out of scope. Stat, get the source. Okay, stat logs. Okay, some statistics. Local time. Okay, guys, it's like for dummies. I don't know. Okay. Um. Okay, maybe I'm too had a lot of expectation, like too much expectation about this book. I don't know. Um. Okay. Lint should never have been separated out. Mm, Sunrise Lint Party. Yeah, it's like I don't know. It's like some. It's really cool book, like to read it, but to get some, to see some code, it's definitely not good. It's definitely not. Oh, this is function, right? Adapted from the telnet. Okay, I mean this is great. Like it has a lot of story. It has a lot of examples, like real world examples. But regarding the code itself, it's not rich at all. Okay, I don't know what is this does. Mm, I don't know. I don't have any idea. Ah, it's a comment, right? No, no, no. Okay, why does this end up here, not here? Okay. Um, I just cannot forget the previous book with that font. Okay. So we have some structs. Okay, so we have a some sloop. Um. Okay, we have a union of something. Okay, we are talking about enum. So that's better. Talking about functions, I guess. Or no. Okay, why don't like this that this is blurred? Mm, okay, I don't understand this, but it's like steps in unscrambling C declaration. But again, it's not like expert C programming. It's like really, really basic programming, okay? I mean, I cannot do it, but I mean, it's like should be told like at the basic level. type dev can be your friend. Yes, I know. I'm friends with him from my childhood. Um, Kumquat. Okay. Yeah, maybe this book is like targeted on like more clear or like understanding, like not like just learning the language and just knowing it, but really like understanding it and what is standing behind and how does it was created and what was the reasons and what was the history, what blah blah blah. Blah. Okay, so okay, guys, I think I know what I can do now. I can just close it. Okay, and you know what we'll do? Of course you don't, because you are watching this video first time. So what we will do is just take the Vim. Okay, Vim. Okay, so let's take Vim. Let's basically just take him. Let's just first see him. Okay. So what is the language? Is C only 40% and Vim script 53, and this is sounds like a fun, right? Because so this what this means is that basically they created like their own language and wrote the editor. So basically they created a whole language for an editor and then implemented the editor using this language. And yeah, I know Emacs is doing the same, right? But yeah. Okay, so let's just clone it and try to build it. It will be easy. Okay, let's go. Pretty easy, I guess. Pretty fast. I'll check my Telegram. Okay, guys, I will fly a little bit, so I'm just doing some exercise, you know. Okay, so let's go to Vim and let's see what we have. So here is not okay. Here is configure, right? And this is a script, right? So also makefile. Okay, so this is the point where I don't know what to do. I mean, I have a configure and I have a makefile. Maybe run configure because it's like more for dependencies, and makefile is like more for making. So maybe I should choose configure first. And here is nothing else. By the way, hello Windows. Okay, so let's run configure. Okay, so as I said, it will check everything that is in place for that it needs. Okay, so everything is in place, and you know what? And I just saw that I know what we will do next. Okay, so I don't know what we will do next, but maybe we will do LFS. And what is the LFS? Is basically Linux from scratch. Yes. So basically, what it does is book. Is a book, right? Oh, yeah. So it's a book. You can read it, right? And basically, what it's saying is just yeah. So the first is preface, intro. Do you see my? Yeah. Preparing packages, final. So this is preparation, and the whole build. So basically compiling your tools then compiling temporal stuff, then again compiling, and then you do this all stuff, installing stuff. Also some system configurations, make it bootable, and that's all. Sounds easy, right? But it is not like real programming, so it's more like a building process. So yeah, let's go back to our Vim. So we configure. So now, okay, guys, wait. Okay, guys, don't wait. So we basically did a configure. Now we'll take a make, and this was a mistake. You can understand because I ran it without the multi-threading feature. Okay. Anyway, I don't think it's really important to build it. We actually want to look at the code, right? That is why we are here all. So I expect that you know like what is a Vim, right? So basically it's a text editor. So just yeah, let's look at the file system. So I don't know what is CI, this. Okay, I can say that source is probably the files that source. Um, yeah, this is tools. I don't know what is tools. Okay, so let's just go in source. Yeah, and okay, so we see here like a lot of code, right? And by the way, mm, you remember that here we say like Vim script 35%, right? So I don't understand this quite because so there are 2000, yep. So and I don't see like Vim scripts. Maybe I just don't know the extension of it, but anyway, it doesn't needs to be looked at us. Okay, so of course, first program is I think in main.c. Okay, so here somewhere we'll have main, right? Main function. Okay, I see some main messages, and this is quite cool, right? And where is the main function? Okay, this is by the way usage function. But what about main? It looks like it doesn't have main here. Okay, no problem. By the way, what is the build process? It is already built. So right now I have Vim 9.0. So let's install this one. Sudo make install. And now I have the same. I don't know why, but maybe it is installed in some other location, right? Where is Vim? So I don't know. I really don't know. Sorry, guys. Um, Anyways, this is not the important stuff. So let's go to yeah, let's go to source and just understand something. So where do we need to start? Mm, Actually, I don't know. So let's just pick a random file. I don't know this one. Actually, let's pick a main C, right? Because it's a main C. So what do we see here? How do I plus it? Okay, so we see some defined stuff. Defined. So here is a function declaration. So what does this does? What does this mean, by the way? Static char. It's quite interesting. Static char. Different types of error message. Okay, I don't sure what this syntax is really means, but it's quite obvious, right? So we are having some defines and names for them, right? So this is some macro. If we don't okay, this is some prototype for a main. Okay, so maybe main is being, by the way, generated, right? Okay, something here again. Okay, I see that, I see this main function, LOL. You see? Very cool. What? Mm, do any system specific initializations. This cannot use. Okay, this is not really interesting. Okay, so let's go next. MinGV. Okay, so to conversion coding. Okay, it's taking some MinGV specifics, many variables, so that we can use arcs and arguments so they can be changed. Clear field params. Want full screen. True. Params use debug break. Auto CMD. If def Ruby. Okay, it supports Ruby. Wow, guys, it's amazing. Okay, what is TCL? I heard that word, but no clue what is at exit. Okay, this is like I don't know, so callback maybe, right? Okay, so this is some loop, right? So it goes through. It goes basically through all the argument. It is basically argument parser. Um, okay, so if we start up time, so we do this. If we do log, we change our log to be the log, yeah, so the next word after this word, which is the log file. Okay, I like this code, and by the way, I like this process more against reading books, right? Because in the books there are like examples are a lot. I mean, um, yeah, this is just better. Okay, so we have a clean parameter and register parameter. Okay, so here is the init stuff. Here is a GUI. And it's interesting, right? Because yeah, here, yeah, so we check executable, so it's for GUI or no. Yes, yes, this is the feature of server. To work from the command name. Okay, and this is like for vim diff, rvim, parsing arguments. On some system when we compile, we always use it. On Mac there is no terminal version, and on Windows we can't fork one of with GUI. Okay, if define always GUI starting true. Uh, okay, so GUI starting, it's initting, it's failing, it's what is evim? Um, don't have them. Params evim mode. What is evim mode? Much. No idea. Okay, garg count. So graphic argument count. Starter elk makes starter march during temporarily add to is f name. Okay, what is is f name? These are valid file name character but are excluded from username to make gf fork in a file and per. Okay, I like this comments. Okay, so it's quite good, right? Right? It's not understandable, but it's at least it is here, so I like it. Um, yes, by the way, so here is the so it is calling like itself. So this is basically a Vim script language. So we are calling Vim script from C. Okay, and this is quite cool. Some optimization, I guess. If there is one file name fully qualified, we have probably been invoked from Explorer. Oh my god, nice detection. Oh my god, guys, that's so funny. I don't know. Yeah, you know what? If there's one file fully qualified, we have probably been invoked from Explorer. Yeah. That is a probably good code, you know? What does drop means? Some error. Mm, Open up to 3 windows. Why to 3 windows? Okay. Don't redraw until much later. Okay, so this is cool. They have a like variable for storing the redraw cycles, I guess, something like that. Don't do cursor positioning. Okay, so it's like another optimization, right? Want full screen. When certain to start the GUI, don't check terminal cap. Okay, it's logical, right? Um, yeah, so here we use, yeah, remember we in previous book we talked about like TTIs, so this one is, I don't know, checking. Yeah, and basically this is like a Linux command, right? How it calls is TTY. Yeah, yeah. Okay, parm. So what? Never mind. Sets up the terminal. Okay, shall I need? Yeah. Also, they have some logging system, I guess. For want of anywhere else to do it, try to connect to XSMP here. What is it? Only try if session manager is set to something non-null. Oh, by the way, let's look what our session manager is. Um, okay, not what I was expecting. Okay, so it's like not a window manager, it's like a session manager. Okay. Oh, so XSMP, I will not check it. Check TTI, print a warning if std out is not in terminal. Yes, and yeah, I I remember something like that. I encountered. Mm, okay. We buff. Oh, guys, by the way, I understood what I can do. I can turn off the desktop music, desktop audio, and I can listen to music, but you won't hear it. Oh my God, I'm genius. I'm really genius, guys. No kidding here, you know. Yes. You don't. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This message comes before term inits, but after silence mode. When the input is not omit the change. Okay, so there is like some argument, not a term. It's not a term. Files to edit. Yeah. If want full screen and not silent mode, set the terminal name and get terminal. Capabilities will set to full screen. Don't know where the cursor is now. Set. Okay, you know what? Actually, radio is like taking me over, so I think I'll skip it. Yeah. So don't worry, guys. I'm not listening any radio. Um, init rows and columns. Okay, so yeah, this is what they really need to know. CMD line rows. Okay, so this is like CMD magic. So here we like take something and yeah, scroll. So we enable. By the way, I have a scroll. Yeah. Init mappings. Okay, yeah, and this one is interesting because I don't know. Maybe it is actually calling like configuration file of vMRC. 1 second, guys. Okay, guys. So plans a little bit changed. So I have this website, and I need to have here, and I think here 100% because I needed to drive a car, you know, to make exam. So what I will do is actually try to hack it, So first of all, I think this one should be, well, let's start with how to do it. Select separate window. Yeah, I like it more. So first, let's maybe make 100%. So how to do it? I don't know. I will just search. Okay, this one is progress. Okay, and here is 0, so I'll change it to 100. Uh, I'm just not sure about this stuff here. How should it be? Okay, I will not touch it and we'll see. Maybe it will be okay. And yeah, so let's continue with second, this one, right? Okay, so here, okay, it also 100. The main problem that I have is that I think this one should be green. Um, yeah, that's kind of hard maybe, but we have this one as a reference. So we yeah have sliced donut and sliced donuts, so I think they're the same. So we can just maybe look at this one, right? Mm, yes. So this one is having like 100%. Maybe this is not real case. Um, okay. And can I open another window, by the way? Inspect. No, I cannot. Yeah, it's not very cool. Um, yes, but how can I like actually do it like this one? Value. Okay, okay, I see value. So I see a value. Yeah, actually, yeah, maybe we can use it, right? Yeah, let's actually try. Let's actually try. So here, is it a value 0? No, unfortunately, it is a value 100. Yeah, that's kind of bad. Um, okay, let's look at this one. Maybe it's this one. Okay, let's try this one setting 100. Nothing changed, right? Um, slice donut. Here it's what is this? It is value. Okay, so this one is not definitely. Okay, maybe the color. So maybe we should check just check the color. What does D means? Um, okay, this one is M1188. Okay, so this one. Yeah, they look the same, right? Okay, so this is not the one. Yeah, I see this color, right? So yeah, so actually let's maybe look at this color. So I don't know, I will copy this one. And right now, where is it? This one, right? So the color here is different. So I don't know. Let's add this one. Okay. Yeah, it is good, I guess, right? So yeah, graphic. This one. Yeah, I don't know actually how it looks like, but maybe we can also find it out. So yeah, so this is progress, and this is like the chart, and um. Okay, so we have a line here and a line here. Okay, so but actually it's like a point, right? Um, I don't quite understand. Okay, we have a value here, so let's just. Okay, value is not the case. Okay, so let's check this one for to be 0. Okay, I like it. I like it, and yes, I definitely like it. So, yep, that's cool. Mm, so maybe we should, uh, yeah, I mean, that's cool. So basically that is saying that I learned everything in one day, right? Um, yeah, it's quite cool. Okay, guys, I think we can finish with it. So I'll just take a screenshot and we'll, yep. I don't know, maybe I could also show like this one, right? Um, no, I think it will be hiding this one. Okay, yep, maybe I'll just put it under my clock, so it will be shown like a full as a clock, just to make it even more cooler. Uh, oh wait, I just spoiled my god. Okay, let's do it again. We already know how to do it, right? So here we just paste 0. Yep, that's cool. Yeah, you see. Okay, guys, I will make it another screen. You won't see it. Sorry, but I need to finish it. Yes, I did it, and I'm taking a screenshot. Okay, that's great. Okay, nice. Okay, I will now take a break, so I will be right back. Okay, guys, so let's continue where we left. And where we left. Okay, we left here. Um, yeah, so no way to return. So yeah, init mapping is like set up initial mappings, maybe they're default. Highlights, okay. Properties of the terminal. Okay, some debugging stuff. Uh, okay. Okay, so it's like configuration, like do we want to use configuration or so we just check none or default. Now we have some, yeah, so when you launch Vim, you can, I think, just pass some arguments, so it's executing them. Source startup scripts, okay, so maybe this is like vimrc and okay, so this one, what is wow. Mm, okay, okay, vim main 2, okay. Mm, here is needed for, but we define it always to keep things simple. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I like it. Everybody like it. But then it's empty. Mm. Yeah, you see? You see? Okay, or read all the plugin only when compiled with val since most plugins need it. Some variable global. Okay, some pattern. Okay, what is this doing? Oh, okay. So it's a string like this or this. So basically we can see that it's using wildcards, right? And it's searching like plugin and all the folders. Okay. To runtime path so that their autoload directs can be found if done already with the pacload command. Make a copy of runtime path so that source runtime does not use the pack directories. Not the source packages. Uh, So basically we are just starting directories where starting code can be, I don't know, source and path. Um, okay. RTP, what? Okay, loading plugins. Only source start packages if not done already with a package load. So if not, load start packages. Source runtime, so plugin param, so we are sourcing everything. Yeah, so basically this is the command, right? And maybe this is default, right? Something like that. Okay, decide about window layout for div mode after reading vimrc. Okay, so this is like more for vim div. Okay, and this is like window layout. So this is like splitting in panes. Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, so what's next? Um, Recovery mode without a file name lists swap files. So this is about like swap files, right? This uses a dir option, therefore it must be after the. Okay, I don't understand this part. So recovery mode, recovery names, and exit. Set a view option defaults after reading vimrc title, icon, Unix shell pipe shall read. -n argument disable swap file by setting update count to 0. Note that this overrides anything from a vimrc file. Yep, so this is, yeah, so we parsed, we get this, and we do update count. So this is update count. Okay, so I like this code. I like this code. It's very cool because if there will be no such command, how on earth you would like understand that this, for example, is -n and this, for example, is update count. Okay, so it's really cool, and it's saying like we are disabling swap files. So of course we could just call this like call function and create it with a name, but if there was no comment and the code was like this, it would be very bad. What is VMS, by the way? When something calls a message from a Vim script, we need to output an extra new line before the shell prompt. Okay, GUI start, we'll set full screen to true. When running evim or gvim-y, we need menus exit if we don't have them. Okay, so this is like arrow. Okay, first window, what is this? Width pref height or window pref height equals first window height. Okay, seems logical. Read in registers history, etc., but not marks from the Vim info file. This is where the old files get filled. Yeah. Okay, so register, by the way, it's Vim register, not CPU. Okay. History, but not marks. Okay. So we say vim info. So if this file is existing, by the way, why null without extra L? Okay, so vim read info, vim get old files. What is wife, not wife, but we've reading vim info. Okay. What about time? We have 10 minutes more, guys. If get vim var list, it's better to make v old files an empty list than null. Maybe, but why? Can you give an explanation? -q error file load the error file now. If the error file can't be read, exit before doing anything else. So yeah, if params edit type edit qf, which seems not very understandable, but here is a q and here is a q, and here is a f and here is a f, and here is a e and here is a e. Okay. Then what's next? Um, So is use E, then set string option direct EF to -1. And basically it's interesting that if this command, okay, yeah, it passes. But wait, does C language has a link? I mean, not pointer, but a link. Um, Not sure, but maybe no. And here, basically, it's not null, so it's logic that we are passing this. Okay. Okay, this one is cool. It has like printf. So what is EO buff? EO size C file. What is a C file? C file. Why C? Oh my god. Okay, some init stuff here is going on. Okay. Start putting things on the screen and scroll screen down before drawing over it. Okay. Okay, yeah, I remember that. So when you launch Vim, it doesn't erase your current output. Okay. Mm, Starting no buffers, no wait to false. Mode so scroll. Okay, so this is like string. This seems to be required to make callbacks to be called now instead of after things have been put on the screen, which then may be deleted when getting resized callback. For the Mac, this handles putting files dropped on the VIM icon to global A list. GUI in use. GUI wait for chars. Time message. Okay, some functions. Okay, so we're setting clipboard if and this is interesting, right? Because it's interesting because it's setting clipboard even if it's terminal, right? Okay. If feed client server, so yeah, so if it's a server, we prepares to being a Vim server. If minus argument given read file from std in, and this is cool. Yeah, do this before starting raw mode because it may change the things that the writing end of the pipe doesn't like. In case std in and std error are the same terminal. Cat. Yep, cat. Okay. Using auto commands here may cause trouble. Um, yeah, for those guys who do not know what is auto commands, I guess it will be hard to understand this, but okay, so this is basically reading std in. Here we are getting that we are being this one, so we are reading from a pipe. And I think there is like, yeah, well, if you're reading from a pipe, you're just reading from std in, so it doesn't really matter. When switching screens and something caused a message from a vimrc script, need to output an extra new line on exit. What does it mean? Um, by the way, I'm not sure who is the first operator here, but I think they're sure. When done something that is not allowed or given an error message, call wait return. This must be done before start term cap, because it may switch to another screen. It must be done after set tmode row. What is tmode row? Because we want to react on a single keystroke. Call set tmode and start term cap here, so the keys and TTY may be defined by term cap init and redefined in XRC. Yeah, by the way, guys, check that out. I'm reading Vim source in Vim. Oh my god, what a yeah. Okay, so we are setting the mode. Yeah, guys, come on, be funny, have fun. Okay, so need wait return. Okay, message that. Yeah, by the way, let's just one time, one time, just one time, guys. Sorry, but one time. I need to do it just for fun, you know. Because I mean it's all for fun, right? So let's do it. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, lagging. I can lose. Eh, too slow, too slow. I will lose probably. But no, he's slower. He's slower. Haha. You're slower. You're very slow, man. Slow. Oh my god, this was. Oh, no, no, okay. Yeah, he's losing by the speed, you know. Yep. Okay, I needed to do it. Need wait return. What does it mean? Did any? Okay. Wait return time message. Okay, I think this is not what I want to see. Um, start term cap. Start term cap if not done by waiting return. Okay. But maybe you should just say else, or you may that this function is probably can there is a possibility that it will not done something. Okay, nice. Set mouse may start using the mouse. Set scroll if scroll region reset. Scroll start may scroll the screen to the right position. Um, term push title save with term boss. Okay, maybe it's like changing the title, right? Maybe. Don't clear the screen when starting next mode unless using the GUI. GUI. So yeah, interesting. What is X mode, by the way? It's like a set or ED, I guess, right? Um, yeah, I like that. I like that. I mean, this is the only way, right, to do this stuff, and it's cool, right? Set must redraw. Update clear. Screen clear. Okay, this is screen clear. Uh, Fit crypt. Oh my god, it's cryptography. Oh my god, ask for a key. Crypt check current method. Crypt get key. Oh my god, guys, I didn't know Vim is using some keys. No, wait, return. Create the requested number of windows. Yeah, guys, this is what I'm talking about. Like, anytime you want to do something, why don't like you do like a comment and describing like what are you going to do, or at least you did something and you described like it. Create the requested number of windows and edit buffers in them. Also does the recovery. I mean, yes, comments could be like self-described, right? So create windows. Okay, it probably creates windows. Time message is probably like doing something else is probably doing something else. But the mixture of commands, it's not understandable. So it's better to stand to describe it. Okay. Okay, and this one is cool, right? Because this is actually setting some Vim settings, which is used by VimScript, I guess, in the end. X starts at last line of the file. Okay. So we are changing cursor, right? Yeah, we are changing current window because in every window there is only one. There is its own cursor. So in current window we change V cursor, W cursor, maybe right for writing, right? L num line number, right? current buffer. What is this? Not sure. But yeah, line counts, so the last line, right? Apply auto commands event buffer buff enter. Okay, so here's the okay, guys, we're out of time. So yeah, guys, uh, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, put a comment, and share this video among the world. Goodbye.